Makantahin mo yan, ha? Magaganda boses dyan, ha?
Let it be me. Don't take this heaven from me. If you must cling to someone now and forever.
Join pala kayo niyan.
Nakakain ng ano, eh.
Join kayo dalawa.
Let it be me.
Sumami pala yun.
Yan na lang kantayin niyo. Yan kantayin niyo.
Each time we meet love, I find complete love. Without your sweet love, your pork chop, what would life be? So never leave me lonely. Tell me you love me only, and that you always live with me. For each beat of gladness, someone must taste some sadness. I'll be the sorrow. Let it be me. No matter what the price is, I'll make the sacrifices. For each tomorrow, let it be me.
Yan na lang kantayin niyo dalawa. Wait kayo.
To you I pray.
Request ako, kakanta ito. For you.
Please let your heart beat.
Hanapin niyo yung bakit niya yung talang.
Bakit nga dyan?
Just